Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are taking you somewhere very special and I'm liking how this area looks. I like how Kenya is developing. I like how everything is growing. The country is moving forward. There is peace to everyone. In the interests of today's topic, we are going to see these beautiful bungalows with a print area of 230 square meters. Yes, exactly, 230 square meters. It's funny that bungalows are growing to the sizes of mansions. What's not growing is your wallet and mine, and that is a big problem. But what do we do? Of course, we must work hard and we must purchase one of these units in this gated estate. As you are enjoying the views of Mugutha locality and the outside of this estate, always remember that the place to get your houses or the place to get your properties is africanrealestate.com. The estate has been done very well, 6 units in a gated controlled estate. The estate is spectacular because it comes with 4 bedrooms all en-suite bungalows, and 4 of the bungalows have been constructed on a lot of 40 by 70 and the corner plots are 40 by 80. This is spectacular because you are getting enough space for you to park your cars, you have a space for your own unit, and you have a common area where your kids can enjoy doing their hide and seek. Before we get started, my name is Mungai Kihara and this is African Real Estate, and I know some of you are already asking, where is this gated estate? Let me tell you. This beautiful estate is exactly 10 minutes from Thika superhighway, 4 minutes from the tarmac, and 10 minutes from Ruiru town. So this is Ruiru Mugutha. It's very famous these days because it's doing the best developments for the middle class, and actually if you are common mwananchi, you want to apply for the low cost housing mortgage, this is one of the areas you should concentrate in. Before we dive in, each unit is coming with 2 car parkings, but if you have an extra car, you can always park in the driveway. It's not prudent, but where would you take it? You can't park it inside the house, right? Each unit has been separated from the next by a live fence. By the time you are purchasing and living in the unit for like a year, of course you'll have your own personal privacy and a green space to give you the best and the freshest air. This living room is massive and very well done. What I have loved about it is the big windows that you are getting for enough natural light. I'm loving it that you are getting the rafter type ceilings and they are giving you the double volume ceiling vibe. I like it that you have a center light here. Very well done, very traditional, very vintage, and actually welcoming you to this space. To understand the expansive of this space, the living room is running from here where the cameraman is all the way to this other side where you are supposed to keep or to do your TV area. And as you can see, this is a massive space where you are supposed to do all the way to a 14-seater couch. The fact that this estate is targeting big families is a plus because it is not normal to see such estates, and the bedrooms have been done very well. And if you can remember, I mentioned that this home is a 4-bedroom all en-suite bungalow plus a DSQ. That is the main entrance. The TV area as usual is supposed to be there, and you have this separation which is separating the front side of the living room to the kitchen. The kitchen is on the other side. I like it that the developer added these compartments where you can do some portraits, maybe some flowers or some beauty decorations. The dining area is on the other side, and from there you can see the wideness of the 4 windows that comes with this living room. You have some recess lights, a center light, add some side lights to complement the same during the night. So my biggest question is, why would you have a 4-bedroom bungalow? You must have a very big family, and I love it that the developer created a sizable dining area for you to do a 6-seater like this one, or maybe an 8-seater if you have maybe a family, a bigger family, or the extended family have visited you. The dining area has been secluded from the rest of the living room, but what makes it very unique is that it is opening to the kitchen on the other side, and this is a very good concept. It is more of an open concept, but it has been done differently just to give you a different interesting vibe. For a 4-bedroom bungalow, of course you don't expect the kitchen to be tiny. That door is supposed to take you to the kitchen garden and the employee quarters, which is hidden out there. Above the employee quarters, you have a 5,000 liter water tank, and I think that one will be enough for such a big home. This kitchen has been done very well. I like the combination of the cream and the white theme. The golden touches on the cabinet is improving the look of everything, and the fact that the developer has left a space here for your refrigerator and a space on this other side for your cooking top makes this kitchen very functional. A double sink is standard in each home of this estate. You are getting a tilting faucet, cold and hot water access. This unit comes with solar water heaters. You have a big window for natural light during the day, and you have a very nice center light for your light during the night. You're also getting a beautiful dark and white backsplash with some utensils paintings, enough sockets for all your kitchen appliances, and if that is not enough, you have a candle for your candlelight dinners. Enough of this kitchen and its beauty. Let's jump directly to the common washroom. Done very well. I'm loving it that it is long, giving you enough space to do all your activities in there. You have enough space. You can scroll your phone while you are deeply connecting with your body. From the common washroom, we are going directly to the first bedroom, and it has been done very well. This is targeting your small kids or maybe the tiny person in the family, because this is the smallest bedroom anyway. Maybe if you have 2, 3.5 beds, you can always keep them here. The space is sufficient, or you can do a bigger 5x6 bed. The room is sufficient. It comes with its bathroom, and the bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you can see in any other bathroom. And because this bathroom is the smallest, I'm excited to see the other 3 bedrooms, because of course they must be bigger. Before we jump to the second bedroom, this unit comes with an employee quarters. Yes, so in total it is like a 5 bedroom. You have a servant's quarter or an employee quarters. Okay, normally we don't have servants these days, but you have an employee quarters big enough for your 1 or maybe 2 employees. The second bedroom has been done very well, slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with this finishing. You have a 3.5 bed there, just to give you a good orientation of how the space is like and how big the space is. The closets are floor to ceiling, done very well. I'm loving the finishes and the details of this unit. The developer was very keen. You are getting a center light, big windows for enough natural light, and the bathroom is just right there, just making sure you don't have to crisscross across the unit looking for a bathroom at the middle of the night. The third bedroom confuses me. It's bigger than the second and the first bedroom, but it has that space over there just next to the bathroom. I think that's where the closet should have been, but it's just next to the door. The closet is slightly bigger than the first and the second bedrooms closets, but why is it there? I think we have enough space over that edge to get a walk-in closet in there just next to the bathroom, right? But all in all, this bedroom is massive, done very well, big enough to fit a 6x6 bed. Actually, most people that we have taken to this site tend to think that this is the primary bedroom, but surprise, surprise, it's not. There is a bigger master bedroom with more amenities and more space for you and for your partner. Honestly, this is a massive primary bedroom, and if I was in the process of house hunting, I would consider this as one of my options. This home has been done very well. I like the space that you are getting inside and outside, remembering that you have a laundry area outside, and on the other side you have a 2-car parking with an extra space where you can do some events. I would actually take this home. I like the size of the bedroom area. You have a space on this other side. You can do a small couch. The bed space is massive to fit a 6x6 bed like this. You can do a side drawer here and another one on that side. Even if you would want to add an extra closet for you or your partner, the room is giving you an ample space. This closet has been partitioned to serve 2 people. You have a common space at the center where you are getting 4 drawers, spaces which can act as a dresser, and some spaces for maybe foldable clothes. And then you have this side which is replica to this, and you can use that one, and maybe your partner can use this one. If you don't have a partner, you can take the whole space for yourself. This room is enjoying its primary bathroom on this side. It is the biggest, done very well. You are getting a tissue holder at the entrance, a bidet sprayer that is very high quality. You have a WC, a high pressure one. On the other side you have a small vanity, and this is where you should do your showering, and you are getting a double towel holders and a beautiful rain shower. We are using the rear door to access the kitchen garden and the laundry area. The kitchen garden, done very well. I love the greenery. I can't wait to see when the grass grows. You have a laundry area big enough for your industrial wash and dryer. On this other side you have your clotheslines area, and you are getting an enough balance between concrete diagonals and some green spaces. This developer is doing really well. On top of these units you can see that you are getting your 5,000 liter water tank, and it is enough for any other activities that you do in this unit. As the estate just got completed, the corner units are still available. So if you would want to take any of these units, make sure you call us ASAP before someone else jumps on the deal. And as always, this is African Real Estate. If you would want to see the pictures of this unit, make sure you go to our website africanrealestate.com.